ladies. Hello. I just wanted to do a really quick live because I just got the new Cricut Joy. It just came out yesterday or a couple days ago. I had ordered mine from Amazon, and I know I had talked to a couple ladies that said they were wondering about it, wanted to see it, Well, I got it, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. I haven't even opened the box yet. I'm Teray, by the way. I'm kind of new to cricketing. I just got my first machine for Christmas. This is my second one. And I also just ordered the maker too, so just waiting on that. So this is how it came. Okay. Let's see. I also, when I ordered this, I also got a few materials to kind of start. So I picked up the 20-foot smart vinyl. That was like $28. And then I think I paid like $5 to $7 for each of these. I also got these on Amazon. Some of them, some of the stuff was a little cheaper actually on Walmart. Walmart.com than it was anywhere else. I'm a price searcher, so I will check until I find the best price. But Walmart had the best price on the materials. The machine was the same price everywhere. Amazon was like $1 more. Than Walmart. Cricut was about the same as Amazon. But I found that Walmart had everything for about 50 cents to $1 cheaper. But they didn't have everything. So they were a little more limited on what they actually had. So that's that. So this is tiny. It's really little. Like, I have little hands and it's small. Okay. And then it also has got the power adapter. And the plug. It also came with the pen. Okay, so it's just the black pen. It's a 0.4 fine point. And then there's this. So let me move the box. Okay. So in here, it came with, let's get started. Tells you how to set up, and then how to use the smart vinyl and the blade. Project sample materials. And then it came with this mat. But then I also bought the so I bought some of these too, the cards to make all the different cards with the inserts already with them. And then I also got the card mat, and this is pretty cool. I love the card mat because it has the plastic on the front to keep, you know, what's on the inside safe while you cut on top. So that's pretty cool. And then I also bought the long mat because I plan to use some of my the materials that I already have. So I got this mat, and I bought this mat, and this was all separate, and all the vinyl that I showed before is also separate. But this came with it, which is pretty cool. It's a strong grip, and then the warranty information. So it gives you one test project, just like most Cricut stuff does. Okay. So, oh, you guys, it's so cute. Look at that. How cute is that? And then with this one, it doesn't have the separate pin housing. It just has the one for the blade and the pin. And the blades are totally different. This is so tiny. Like, this is a little bitty. Let me see, where's my other one? So this is my Explorer 2 blade compared to this one. So it's much smaller. It looks like it works the same way though. And then I also learned, like, from one of the other videos that this one, when you put the pin in, you don't have to click it like you do with the Explorer. You just, and the pins are different. There's smaller, shorter. They're shaped differently too. So let me see. Give you one to compare it to. So they're different sizes altogether. Sorry guys, it's time to pick my son up from school. But this one just drops in and closes. It has a ridge on there that'll stop it where it needs to stop. Pretty simple. I think this is pretty cool, guys. I don't have any projects set up to cut on it yet, but I plan on doing one a little bit later, and I'll probably go live again so you guys can, like, see what's up with this thing, how it cuts, because I'm excited to see myself. I couldn't wait to get this thing. And then it closes very easily. It's very light. Like, it only weighs a few pounds. I'd say maybe 6 or 7 pounds, maybe. It's definitely not more than 10 pounds. So cute. And it's so light. But I'll be back when I check out a project. I think I'm gonna probably cut something like my some old materials just so I can check out the mats. I'm gonna do a card, and then I'm gonna do the practice project that came with it, just to give it a quick go and see what it's like. But you guys, I'm excited. Let me know what you think. Did anybody else get one? All right, guys.